Ton Ross po, kasama si Mikey Reyes. At Mikey, matagal na natin pinag-uusapan.
Mabubuhay sa mga points in the paint ni si Giovanni, and Damboa needs to do a better job in stopping these fast breaks.
Ito naman ang rest back ni Josan Nimes. Meron ng 4 na puntos. The Stars have come out to play. Tough it is to be able to get yourself back into shape to play again.
It's very tough nga, Anton, pero I believe after an injury,
Flores with 6 points. Arellano has 4 players on the board. Salado, that's the 5th player now on the board for the Chiefs. Wala, in and out sa kanyang hook shot. Ezekiel Bitig. Nothing but that.
Canadian gunslinger nga naman. Court, I think, in the league.
25-22. Halalon knocks down a jumper. Ito na ang Arellano. Nichols for 3. One more time.
Kasi nakakagulat nga, dalawang mali ito, plus Dretty playing the 3. Ayun na nga, kumana agad. Inatake agad ni Dretty Stevens.
Nieles is actually face guarding Giovanni Halalon as Orwell Oraime gives Mapua the lead with that basket.
Josan Nimes is really fun to watch. Ang ganda naman ng behind the head pass nito kay Olwer.
Ton Ross, kasama si Mikey Reyes at kasama rin natin at courtside si Roxanne Monte Alegre. The 4th deadlock in the game.
Anton, counter move itong si Coach Jerry. 3 big naman ang pinasok. Cadaves, Banga, and Holtz.
Tano, pinasa kay Holtz. Balik kay Halalon. Halalon using the Enriquez screen. Halalon! Yes!
Giovanni showing us again why I consider him the best point guard in this league.
Cardinals, 10 fast break points para sa Arellano. Halalon, umatras. Tumira sa labas.
For the Perlas team, itong
Yes.
nakaraang sina.
Nichols missing on the layup. Holtz decides to fire. DeAndre Holtz. Ito na yung breakout game. Ngayon naman playing under an experienced coach or player in Atoy Ko as Sam Nichols.
Grabe, dito na kayo, live na kayo manood sa mga nanonood dyan.
Biting for 3. Asa na lang kay Holtz. Holtz masyadong malakas. Salaro, offensive rebound. Nichols for 3. Lead, 22.4 seconds remaining. Josan Nimes nakuha ang bola. Pinasa kay Isit. Ezekiel Biting!
Anton, I did not expect that shot to come from.
Ang larong ito para sa dalawang kumuna. Mapua down by 3. Isit. Biting. Tumira sa labas. There's another triple! Enjoying this as much as we are. Giovanni Halalon out to Salado for 3. That's big.
Big 5-point spin right there for Salado. Sila ngayon yung nandun sa top ng standings, but this win